I have dozens of these scrap gas FETs here. I am not sure how much gold is actually on these gas FETs, but we're going to do an experiment in the future to determine the answer to that question. The downside, and it's a huge downside, is there's a hazardous material inside these gas FETs called gallium arsenide. And I have found very little information from the vast network of refiners that I deal with who are way smarter than me in how to deal with this gallium arsenide safely. So let's look a little bit more into these gas FETs. A single gas FET in its native state is harmless. But when you take the cover off, which I will do in a moment, the center of the gas FET contains the gallium arsenide, which I am not too eager to pursue. What I've done in the past is I've sold these gas FETs by the kilo to a gentleman in Canada who apparently knows what he's doing. So instead of selling these gas FETs in its entirety, I'm going to do an experiment and just process the covers, which contain gold on both sides, and I will stay clear of the gallium arsenide. So let's remove the cover. Safety glasses and gloves, of course. And it's off. So let's see what we've got here. This is the lid, gold plating on both sides, and it's magnetic. That may present problems in the future. It's probably an iron, maybe a Kovar. It could be even a steel, but it's clearly magnetic, and we'll have to deal with that in the future. And here's the good stuff. This here is the gas FET. It's gold on the inside and gallium arsenide. I am hesitant to put this in acid because I really don't know the outcome. And if you're watching these videos, you too should exercise caution if you don't know what you're doing. So I've been taking lids off these gas FETs and have been accumulating them over time. And let's see how many lids I have so far. About 106 grams. And then, of course, I have a bunch here of gas FETs to take the lids off. So in the next few months, I'll be taking more lids off these gas FETs. And I believe with these, when I process them, I'm going to put them in HCl first to clean up any solder around the edges. And then I think I'm going straight to Aqua Regia on the lids only. As far as the bodies, I'm kind of spooked by these. If you have any ideas, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to get all my future videos and experiments. Thank you for watching.